straight on through. Gonna figure out what this day will hold, but we shall see. You shall see with us. So they have all these over here, like the weather stations, tell you the temperature of the day, 7 knots of the wind. I like this a lot. It's very, very well themed. I actually believe this is the best themed area, period, in Six Flags Over Georgia, and it's the newest to it that. Look at this, beautiful. You don't have a long wait to get in to the wave pool. We're gonna get in this in a second, change, and let's switch onto the GoPro. All right, awesome. We're up in here right now. You can see a little bit of Scream Machine right there, along with the wave pool. I might relax for a bit. We are in the Diamond Elite Reserve seating area, which is very nice. Nobody's really here. Let's go have ourselves an adventure of a day. Keep this thing going. It's a lot of success here today. Keep it going. Just a real quick idea of our view. I mean, they have all that land to expand back there, which they should for at least the 55th anniversary. Get the wave pool right there, one of the rides, or slides rather. Another one over there along with Skull Island, and Superman right there. Short little section, not too much here, but as promised, let's go in there and have ourselves some fun. All right, we are here. We are here about to go into the wave pool, which is quite chilly. It is kind of cold, as you guys can see right here. But hey, we're here and we're gonna have a great day. It's not bad. It is so cold, but it's hot out there, so that's a good thing. But as I turn you all around, you can see a better perspective of everything. It is very cold and chilly, but it is empty here today. It's a good day. Soon we're gonna hit up the 2 slides right there. One day it would be cool to get one of the like cabanas, rent one of those. But the Diamond and Diamond Elite seating right there is really nice. What a perfect day. You can see Scream Machine over there. You can see we're up in here closer. So it's about 2 feet 6 inches. It goes to 3 feet right there by the rope. Don't touch the rope, they'll make sure they remind you. But all the way back there, it is 6 feet. Hopefully we get some wave action here again soon. But we're here and it's a beautiful day here at Hurricane Harbor. Woo! Summer is upon us. Wait, chest high. As you can see behind, Scream Machine's running, which is so awesome while we're here. But, oh man, this slide right here is not operating right now. It's completely dry. Hopefully soon it'll be running. But I love this, it's so nice here. Not crowded, so it's not limited in capacity. That's good. People are just kind of eating and relaxing a little bit, so that's what you see here. But it's like we're in a Caribbean paradise. Relaxing right here. So nice, such great theming. Hurricane Harbor sign. Do I hear wave action coming? Maybe. Woohoo! So going up here near the rope, as far as we possibly can before it's roped off, at 3 feet. You can't touch it or pass it, but it's right there. Hey, don't touch it, don't touch it. It doesn't appear to be any waves right now though, but this is nice though. It's nice, I'm not mad whatsoever. It feels deep, but it's not. Yeah, I got the nice music going to get some food later on. Have some fun. So just here in the water right now. Still no waves yet here in the wave pool. I'm not sure what's going on, but hopefully soon the waves will commence and we can have some wave pool action. They just made an announcement that they might have. I think they're having them soon, so stand by. Perfect timing right after I'm done. Here they are. There are the waves. Oh my goodness, the waves are here. Everybody moved on up. Woo-hoo-hoo. It was like 3 waves and we're done. It was like 3 waves. Like 3 waves. Well, 5 minutes later with Scream Machine going on by, we're just gonna walk out for the time being because no more waves happen. But it's okay. It's okay. All positive vibes only. So the waves are back. They were in rotation and we're back up in here again. So now they go every 5 minutes. They are getting intense. It's getting crowded. It's getting crowded. Oh, jeez. They're getting intense as we're moving forward. Oh my goodness. That one knocked me over. Here we go. Some Hurricane Harbor fun for you all. The waves are here. About time. Oh, Fred. Oh. Oh, wave pool action. Oh, that was epic. We're about to go to round 2 or 3, something like that. About to go through this again. Those waves got really big. People got drifted up there. Hilarious. Such a good time though. Here at Six Flags Hurricane Harbor over Georgia. Everybody behind me. All right, after a little bit of food and relaxation, it's time to hit the Bonsai Pipelines. Since what Tsunami Surge is closed, get a little bonsai pipeline in our lives right now. You can see it over us, overhead, over yonder. But yeah, gonna give this a try. Now it appears that, you know, there's 2 entrances right there. They're only doing one side of the 2 right now, of what it appears. So yeah, let's give it a go. Oh, also real quick, the wave pool, they're shutting it down for an hour for hourly like safety prep thing. So everybody is running over to this one slide back here and Skull Island. So yeah, we're gonna get this a go and have some fun. Got our tubes right there. I got our single ones, while a lot of people are waiting for the doubles down there. If you want, it seems like a lot of people are just waiting for those, so you can just kind of speed it up by having your party do just the single ones and go from there. So we're kind of moving, probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. Not too bad whatsoever. And then we get on, have some fun down the slide. Bonsai Pipelines. So it looks like they are running all 3 of them right there. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's a good sign compared to what Tsunami Surge over there. I love the view up here. It's so nice. You see everything. You can see the super long line for Superman. So busy. Scream machine over there as well. Just so much out here. Love the views. All right, we're up here with the view. Got the tube. We're going up next down the green one. Well, it's multicolored, as you can see. Cannot wait to experience it. So they have 1 team member working all 3, so we have to kind of wait. That's all good. And we're off. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Here we go. Let's go. Woo-hoo! The drop! Yeah! Oh, I like this. This is nice. Wow! All the colors in the splash. All right, that wasn't bad at all. Kind of quick, quite quick, but actually a pretty good slide. The water felt really good after being out of the water for a while, but a pretty solid slide. We're gonna go on only one of those because it's pretty much the same experience. We're gonna check out like Skull Island over there and then see what we can do. Here we are, we're over here next. We're going to do the purple one. That is the one that we are going to conquer here today. They just splashed me, sprayed me over there with the little cannon. But man, super active. I've actually never been over here, so very cool to see this area. We're going to do this. Got a little kiddie slide there, but let's head on up. See you at the top. Oh, there's so much going on right now. There's so much going on. Go up this whole course. This is crazy. The water pouring down. Oh, stop spraying me. Oh. Why am I getting so wet? I did not expect this. Oh my goodness. Not bad from here.
When that bucket
gotta wait, then we gotta get up there. Oh my goodness. And then you have the bucket dropping up there. Craziness. Crazy. But the views up here, it's live. A lot of action. Summertime thrills are here in effect. Wow. Nice slide there too. Oh no! The bucket. I see it. I'm good. I'm safe. I'm safe. I was not going to be poured down upon of the giant bucket of water. No siree. Oh, that was good though. Oh, I have made a bad decision. I have made a bad decision. I am right up under this thing, and it's going to tilt over again soon. Oh my goodness. Water here, them spraying there. I have made a bad decision. Oh, well, okay. I'm up under this now, so I'm relatively safe. We'll see in a second though. Tilting? No. I'll let them get it. What? I have made a bad decision. I thought I was safe. I thought I was safe. I was not safe. Oh, I made a bad decision. Trying to see who I can get from here as I'm holding on. Who's down there? Who's gonna be sprayed? All right, so green slide right there. The big purple one that we're trying to get on right here. So we're just waiting. We are almost there. We're almost there. We're almost coming up. One lifeguard right here. So they're managing like all the slides up here, this whole area. So that's why it's taking a little bit of time. But I got a little water cannon right here. Spray them down. I love the theming here for the area. Like I said, the best themed area in Six Flags Over Georgia. Again, you have Blue Hawk right there and Scream Machine. Perfect views. You don't want to get splashed? That was awesome. We're up next. Also, they opened up the other slide over there, all the way over there. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're up. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, taking up speed now. Getting speed. Oh, yeah, in the swag. All right, wow, that wasn't bad. That was actually pretty good, better than what I was expecting. But I'm waiting for Fred and Jonathan to come on down. But not bad at all. Just came down the purple tube. Like I said, that was not bad at all. That was pretty good, pretty awesome, more than what I was expecting. All right, headed over to Tsunami Surge real quick. Get on that. Call it a go. And then the wave pool's back open right there. So we got a little bit of a backup right there as people are waiting for their tubes. There's 3 of us, so we can just be good and get on it. So awesome, awesome. There we go, our raft is arriving. Splash. All right, we're up next to get our raft. Woo! Okay, Fred wants to carry the whole 4-person raft. I'm not gonna stop him. No, I'll help him out. I'll help him out. But yeah, we gotta get up there, got our raft, gotta go up the stairs, wait a little bit, and then we're gonna see if we get the highest up there. Stay tuned. We're up next. Well, I gotta be the one going backwards, man. Oh! I better not go down this drop backwards. And I am! Air time! Mistakes were made. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's all good. I was almost about to fall out. I kept going down backwards. That was crazy. That drop is so steep on that thing. It's insane. And I was going down backwards. You guys just saw it, which is crazy. Woo, we got some airtime on there too. Yeah. It was good. It was good. Now we're back by the wave pool. It's around 3:45 or so. About to head out for the day, I believe. Very, very good and successful day. Very good. So heading out of Hurricane Harbor for an amazing day. Just a little heads up, the restaurant right there, they're not doing mobile ordering for this year like they were last year. So just a little heads up on that. But that was fun. I had a great day, made the best of such a small water park, but effective. It was a great time. I really loved it from this and Whitewater. A+ with good people. Had a lot of fun. Man, such a good time though. And just looking at Splashwater Falls one more time as we go out, that's all that's left on the drop. From there to there, that's crazy. They're still on the other side doing some work still right now. You can see them moving right there as we speak, still doing some demolition work. They're still making progress. We'll see next time we come back, see what is gone, what is left. With the old stage behind me here in Bugs Bunny Boomtown, with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Six Flags Over Georgia, and better yet, at Hurricane Harbor here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Had an absolutely amazing time, truly a blast here today. Just had a lot of joy, fun, laughter, excitement, and thrills, all in one package. So make sure you guys come out here to Six Flags Over Georgia, have yourself the best time as possible, and have some fun. Next time we'll get on more water rides just around the park in general. We didn't get to that, but I promise you guys we'll do that along with like a detailed rope dropping video. That was a lot of fun. But guys, thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys are new to keep you guys in the loop for more updates and just fun around Six Flags Over Georgia, other other water parks and just other theme parks in general, along with other adventures out there. But thank you guys so much. Till my next video, my next adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day. So if you enjoyed the video, you can support the channel via Patreon, where we have all new live streams and exclusive content and giveaways that are dedicated to the patrons on the exclusive Miguel the Annual Passholder Patreon page. And also, if you like looking nice, you can support the channel via our merchandise shop at annualpassholder.shop. You can find amazing t-shirts and hoodies, such as this one, that you guys can purchase for the low. And feel free to hit that subscribe button and turn it from red to gray, and like this video if you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much, and have a thrilling day.